English Easy Practice.
Hey guys, welcome back to the English Easy Practice channel. Are you ready to improve your English skills through real-life conversations? Listening practice is the key to speaking English fluently. We're here to make it easy for you. This listening practice will broaden your vocabulary with common expressions used in everyday speech. Repetition is key, so feel free to watch this video a few times more, so you can learn English vocabulary and phrases deeply until you use them automatically. You can change the video speed if you need to. Just click the gear icon below and slow down the video speed for a better understanding. Ready to dive into the world of spoken English? Let's get started and let the learning adventure begin.
Hi, Teacher Emily. I feel nervous when I speak English. I always make mistakes.
Mike, mistakes are normal. They help you learn. Do you remember your first time riding a bike?
Yes, I fell many times.
But you didn't stop, right?
No, I kept trying.
Learning English is the same. Mistakes show that you are learning.
But sometimes people laugh at my mistakes.
I understand, but don't let that stop you. Even native speakers make mistakes. The important thing is to keep going.
That makes sense, but how can I feel more confident?
Practice every day. Speak out loud, even when you're alone. Repeat sentences from your favorite English videos.
That sounds easy.
Also, set small goals. For example, learn 5 new words every day or speak English for 5 minutes daily. Small steps lead to big success.
I like that idea.
And don't forget to read aloud. When you read a book or an article, say the words out loud. This helps you practice pronunciation and fluency.
Oh, I never tried that. I always read silently.
Try it. It will help your speaking skills. And for listening, repeat the same audio many times. If you listen to an English conversation again and again, you will understand it better.
So, should I listen to the same thing more than once?
Yes, the first time, just listen. The second time, focus on new words. Then try to repeat what you hear.
That sounds helpful.
And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this.
Thank you, Teacher Emily. I will keep trying.
That's the spirit, Mike. Keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're doing great.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. In a way. Used to show that something is true in one sense but not in another. Example: the movie was scary in a way but also very exciting.
In a way. Hey, Jack, how was your weekend?
Hi, Anna. It was good in a way. I went hiking. What about you?
I went to the beach. Why do you say in a way? Didn't you have fun?
I did, but it rained a lot. So I couldn't hike as much as I wanted. It was nice to be in nature, though.
I understand. The beach was sunny, but it was very crowded. In a way, it wasn't very relaxing.
Crowds can be tiring. Did you swim?
Yes, I did. The water was warm. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. Maybe we can go together next time.
That sounds great, Jack. Let's plan for it.
It turns out. A phrase used to indicate that something is discovered or becomes known unexpectedly. Example: it turns out making pizza was easier than Emily thought.
It turns out. Hey, Mark, how was your day?
Hi, Emily. My day was busy, but good. How about yours?
Pretty good. I tried cooking a new recipe today.
Really? What did you make?
I made homemade pizza. It turns out it's easier than I thought.
That's awesome. How did it taste?
It was delicious. I added a lot of cheese and veggies.
Sounds yummy. I love pizza. Do you have any leftovers?
Yes, I saved some. Would you like to try it?
I'd love to. Thanks, Emily.
No problem. I'll bring it over tomorrow.
Great. I can't wait to taste it.
I hope you like it.
Make head or tail of something. To understand something. Example: I can't make head or tail of this math problem. It's too difficult.
Make head or tail of. Hey, Bob, did you understand the math homework from yesterday?
Not at all, Alice. I couldn't make head or tail of it.
Me neither. It's so confusing.
Yeah, I tried reading the textbook, but it didn't help.
Maybe we should ask Mrs. Smith for help after class.
Good idea. She explains things better.
Also, we could study together. 2 heads are better than 1.
I agree. Let's meet in the library after school.
Sounds good. We can go over the problems together.
Great. Hopefully, we'll make head or tail of it then.
I'm sure we will. See you later, Bob.
See you, Alice.
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.